Good morning. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Do you hear that? That's the literal sounds of birds chirping. And I am in the best mood. I am in the best freaking mood. Do you know why? When you work really hard on something and then it comes into the world, it is the best feeling. And today, my collection with Naturalizer is out into the world, and it is even more beautiful than I could have ever imagined. I am so freaking excited. I woke up to being on the cover of WWD, first ever solo cover right here, and it is WWD front page today. And today is our launch party. I woke up at like 6 a.m. so excited. I was like so anxious and so excited. We're gonna have a celebration at the beautiful Santa Monica proper, but y'all, this collection, I just have to show y'all because I'm waiting for the glam girlies to get here and I'm so excited. I wanna like show you the full experience. I'm not even sure if these are all the same style or different styles. They sent over 3 of these before the event today for me, Maha, and Ethel to wear. First of all, can we talk about the details? Can we talk about this? See, this is what happens when you're a 100-year-old company. You got resources to do copper detailing. Founder of Live Tinted, Deepica Mutyala. Feel seen, our slogan. I mean, the details. Look at the tissue! They used our marigold colors. There's a message at the top. And look, our chocolate brown is on the inside. There's 3 different colors and 2 different styles. This is the lightest shade, and literally the details, y'all, it says my name on them. That's my signature, that's me. And every detail, I can't tell y'all how comfortable this is. You know how when they're like shiny on the inside, it can get sticky on your feet? We intentionally designed it to be matte on the inside so they can just easily slip on and off, but it's shiny on the top because it just looks more chic that way. And we purposely made it so they're transparent. And this heel is just the perfect heel. My favorite color, this is the chocolate brown. There's one in between that I guess I don't have here right now. This chocolate brown is so beautiful to me. Also has my name. There is a shoe with my name. It is so freaking cool. And I'm not gonna play it cool and pretend like it's not. This is really freaking cool. It's been a really cool experience, and I've gotten inspired by that, like how a brand can reinvent themselves to stay relevant over this long period of time. I'm just like so amazed. Anyways, I look like a hot mess, so I will be back once I like look more put together. Bye. Okay guys, what's the vibe for today, Val?
Fun and flirty and super fashiony.
The look is snatched.
Snatched. So pissed at myself for ordering a $30 smoothie, but it is unfortunately the most delicious smoothie I've ever had. Hailey Bieber, you did that. Final look. We're heading to my shoe capsule launch event, and I'm driving because I get really car sick in Ubers. I just feel like the intentionality behind every piece of the design, like the matte on the bottom so it doesn't get sweaty for people and glossy on the top, the transparency so you can see the hues, people's attributes in 3 different shades and 2 different styles. Like every piece of this is like chef's kiss. I'm obsessed. Cheers. We did it. We did it. We did it. This is insane. I have a shoe with my name on it, and they went all out with this event. It's wild. This is early for you. This is early. is where I am. I have no words. I have no words. This event today, this moment today is just amazing. I feel like this partnership was so authentic. It was so real. Every friend that was there was literally like, this is so true to you because you hate heels. And that is so real. Like, that is why this partnership, one of those things where I'm just like, I only want to do partnerships and create things into the world that feel authentic to me, and this was that. And I'm so proud of it. I think you guys are gonna really love it. And I like have no doubt that when you put it on your feet, you're gonna wear it. You're gonna wear it under your saris. You're gonna wear it to work. You're gonna wear it to the airport because that's what I do, and it's everything. And I'm just so happy. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the behind the scenes of this, and I will see you next time. Oh, don't mind me just like casually taking home a photo of myself.